Hi friends, I first want to apologize for two things. Number one, my voice is about shot because since I've gotten back from my mission trip, I've been talking nonstop. We've had a couple of crazy busy weeks here. Number two, I forgot my ring light at home, so that's why my lighting is so horrible right now. So I apologize for that, but hopefully the audio is still good because the information I'm going to give you is more important than anything else, especially seeing me. I want to talk about this virus issue that's going out. I don't profess to know everything about it like everybody else says. That's my disclaimer. All my purpose is that when you come to the office that we have a resource for you to help improve your natural resistance to the highest possible level, because there is no vaccine right now. There is no prevention other than what we are doing ourselves to bolster our own resistance to this virus, which, by the way, is not killing a fraction of the people that the flu virus is and has for years now. So just keep that perspective in mind, please, okay? Now, I have access to whatever I want. I can get whatever product lines, the best of the best, from all around the country and all around the world, because having that in with the credentials allows it, okay? So I'm gonna pick the best because not only am I taking it, our patients are taking it, but my family's taking it, and my recommendations has to stand the test of time like it has for the last 27 years. Having said that, this one company is by far the best in the world, and it's MediHerb. You can look it up online. They have an excellent website with a plethora of information to research on your own, and I highly recommend you do because they've been around for so long that they are truly an industry standard. There's many copycats out there trying to come close to what they do, and they fail miserably. They have for decades now. This company is just really incredible. But what I really want to stress is I'm going to go through 4 products that are foundational. One of them is the one that would be my choice and is my choice for my family, especially my granddaughters, right? You know how precious they are to the heart, so we're going to give them our best, and that's what this one is. I'm going to mention it first. I'll come back and revisit it at the end, and I'll talk about a couple other ones that are good in a form that's more palatable. If you don't think you can deal with a liquid, which you should be able to dilute it and mix it with things to mask the flavor, because I'm going to be brutally honest with you. This stuff is extremely potent, but it's a wonderful product. You're not going to have a drug interaction with these. These are very concentrated herbals, and there is nothing mixed with them that would interact with medications. There are no contraindications with this that are worth mentioning unless you're pregnant. If you're pregnant, I don't recommend taking this because of just it's a covering your assets kind of statement, so to speak. Okay, so what I'm going to go over is Echinacea Premium in the liquid first because it is the strongest immune modulating formula there is. You will want to mix it. For an adult dose, you want to be about a 5 milliliter dose or 1 teaspoon. For children, you just want to cut that in half. But get yourself a graduated shot glass, or you can get yourself a syringe that's designed for dosing liquid medicines like this, or liquid herbals. This is not a medicine, so I'm sorry I misspoke on that. But this is the strongest one I've run across, and most doctors across the country that are in this type of niche service of natural health care are using. So you can also help to bolster your immune system with this product for all forms of influenza, colds, i.e. rhinovirus, that's what we're used to calling colds, cystitis, shingles, septic processes, things that are chronic and recurrent in nature, okay? So the first one I'll mention is Echinacea Premium. I got the large bottle. Now this is $197.50, and that seems like a lot, but this has basically 90 doses in it. So you've got a 3-month supply here for one single person, okay? 3-month supply, it's $197.50, and this is the best of the best. If you're gonna get nothing else, get this product right here, Echinacea Premium, okay? We have a smaller size. This is a 200 milliliter, and it's $88.50. So you've got 2 options for volume size. So for a family of 5, you're better off getting the larger bottle, obviously. The next form, not quite as potent, but extremely, extremely great product. You're not going to find it out in the general public. You're not going to find it certainly at any of the big box stores. is the same product in a tablet form. This one is $99.50 and it's a quantity of 120 tablets. So the dosage on there is 1 per meal, basically, so 3 per day. The next size is a 40 tablet, and this one is $35.50. Okay, so if you're not a liquid, if you don't think you can handle the liquid, then the tablets are the best option because you're just swallowing it. But the liquid, I will tell you, is definitely more potent, and you're going to get a lot better benefit from it for strengthening your immune system. Next product is Immuplex. Think of Immuplex as a good all-around supplement for the maintenance of your lymphatic system, your spleen, anything that's going to help you battle on a front side viral contact. That means thymus gland, that's retrosternal, that means all of your sinus passages. That's what this product does. This is a $32 bottle, and you have 90 capsules in here or a month's supply. So basically $1 a day is what you're looking at. Finally, this one is actually great support for the thymus gland as well. This is 150 caps. This is $34. And this one is general support, in particular for bacterial pathogens. So thymus gland, again, sinus passages, lymphatics, spleen, lymph nodes in particular. Those are bolstered by this product right here, Conjuplex. 2 different sizes. The 150 is $34 and the 90 is $23. Great products. Those are basically fundamentals that you want to build your immune system off of. Of course, like I said, time and time again, and at every visit, it all comes down to what foods you're eating. If you're eating sugar, refined sugar, candy, beverages that have sugar contained in them, that is a known way to deplete your immune system naturally. So be thinking of that. Every bite you take, every sip you take, think of what is going in, what's passing your lips. These are supplemental. They're extremely potent, especially the Echinacea Premium Liquid. It's on a first come, first serve basis. Right now we can still get these products, but the tablets have been sold out. We can no longer get these as easily as we did. The liquid we still can get our hands on, but like I said, at this price point, I didn't order a huge quantity, so it's a first come, first serve basis. So get it for your family while you are able to, and if you have questions, you're always free to call us. The number is below. I'll include it in the paragraph description of the video, but you know how to reach us because if you're receiving this video, you're already in contact with us. We only send this to our warm contacts. We don't send this to prospects. It's only warm contacts, which means you're a current patient or a patient who has completed a program. So if you have questions, feel free to call Tanya or myself, and if it's a question Tanya can't answer, she'll pass that along to me. If you like any additional information, we will be having a class next Monday night, the 23rd, at 5:30 p.m. for 45 minutes. We'll talk about what foods and how to naturally enhance your immune system in light of this, because it's not going away anytime soon. The temperatures are not going to be cranking up anytime soon. They are going to go into the 70s, but until we get a streak of warm weather, a lot of these viruses are going to be hanging around, plaguing people, and then you have the media stirring the pot with unnecessary hype, as you're already seeing. So stay safe, stay hydrated, stay well rested, use products like these, and if we can be of any additional help to you, feel free to contact us at Infinite Health Centers. We're at 423-813-7575, 813-7575. Talk to you soon. Thank you for your attention.